We found the conference very productive. We had a great panel discussion about the future of cloud security in the digital transformation era. We've met with lots of our accounts and we've really enjoyed being here today. Thank you, CYSEC.
So far the event has been very successful for us. It's a well-organized event. There's very good participation and very targeted audience in the cybersecurity domain.
Would like to thank the CYSEC team for organizing such a fruitful and busy event where I was able to generate more than at least 50 leads, which is very excellent for a business development manager, and that's exactly what I was looking to get out of this event.
A lot of people came to our stand. We have a very fruitful conversations and looking forward to work with CYSEC for future events.